After last week's collapse, we see the main indices trying to keep prices stable in one of the craziest weeks of 2024. Earnings season is coming to an end, but we still have stocks releasing their results. We have presidential elections, and of course, we have the Fed meeting as the main market catalysts. So let's study the main key points of the market together. At the moment, we are in a bear market, but do we have a chance of turning the tide? Well, let's take a look. My name is Nathan and you are welcome to the Finance Hydra channel, where every single day you receive insights and analysis of the market without bias, using technical analysis to identify the main key points of the market and devise intelligent strategies. Welcome or welcome back to another video. Now, as we can see here, SPY is maintaining the bearish bias, alright? We don't see any meaningful bullish reaction. We are still below critical resistance levels, namely the 574, the previous top level in September, previous support level in October. Now it is acting as a resistance level again in November. What's more, we are below the 21-day EMA, which is right now pointing downwards, by the way, making this area a double resistance level for the SPY. It is not gonna be easy for it to break this area, but it could materialize a bottom signal. Yes, it could, but we need to see a complete rejection of this resistance area in order to materialize a meaningful, decent bullish reaction. In the absence of a crystal clear reversal, the bearish thesis will remain intact, and of course, 565 is gonna be our next technical target, our next technical support level, which was a support level in October this year and a resistance level in July this year. So 565 is our next major inflection point for the SPY, unless only if we see a miraculous reaction we could avoid a sharper correction to this key point. So far, there is no technical evidence supporting this scenario. The QQQ is also below the 21-day EMA. It is maintaining the bearish bias. In theory, we are supposed to retest 477. There is no meaningful bullish reaction suggesting otherwise, but if we see a miraculous reaction this week, breaking the 21-day EMA, yes, we could see a bottom signal in this scenario. We are gonna probably retest the $500 again. For now, we don't see any meaningful reaction yet. Now, Nvidia, unlike the SPY, unlike QQQ, this one is maintaining the bullish bias. It is above the 21-day EMA and it is reacting nicely. It is breaking Thursday's high over here because Thursday's candle was quite impressive, alright? It was a very bearish, ugly candlestick pattern, closing below the 21-day EMA. But right now, by reacting and closing above the moving average again, Nvidia gives us the impression that it was, in the end, a false breakout of this support level. Of course, this one over here is looking quite good because it is gonna join the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. It is performing very well, but in theory, our next technical support level is $130. All right. If we see Nvidia losing the 21-day EMA again, that's gonna be our next technical stop. But so far, it is trying to maintain the bullish bias. It is succeeding in maintaining the bullish bias. We don't see any meaningful bearish reversal, and it could easily seek higher levels like the all-time high area around $144.42 if you want a specific number. This is it. Maintaining the bullish bias, trying to maintain the price above our support levels. It is looking quite good. Now, a quick message for you guys. Our mentoring program is starting soon in two weeks, and it is gonna be fantastic. It is not going to be a weekend event, all right, or a week of live trading, all right, a trading week. No. It is going to be six weeks with ongoing support and weekly meetings with me in person. I'm gonna study you, analyze your investments, and together we will develop a trading strategy for you. And we are gonna apply that strategy over 45 days together. All right. If you have any interest, just check out my website over here for more information. Over here for more information. Leave your email right here. Hydra Consulting, the most complete one-on-one mentorship. Leave your email right here to be notified of the latest updates and receive exclusive content about our service. See you there, my friend. Now, back to our analysis. Tesla stock is dropping 2.60% over here. It is just retesting our support level. We have been talking about the support area since Tesla topped over here, all right, near the 265. $242 is not only the previous support level, but right now is where the 21-day EMA is, making this area a double support level. It is trying to react. It is not a meaningful bullish reaction. It is not a miraculous bottom signal yet, but it could be a promising reaction. If Tesla actually materializes a bottom signal over here, we could trigger a bullish pivot point, breaking the 265, materializing one of the best bullish reversal chart structures seen in Tesla since 2021. All right, this is gonna be a real game changer for Tesla because it is gonna be a long-term bullish reversal chart structure. Now, on the daily chart, this is a very important support area. Nathan, could we lose this support level? Yes, of course. By losing this double support level, Tesla will trigger a bearish continuation chart structure, possibly to close the previous earnings gap over here, $218.72. All right, that's gonna be Tesla's next stop if we actually lose this double support level. So right now, Tesla is in a critical key point. This is one of the most important inflection points for Tesla. Let's see if it is gonna react or not. Meanwhile, we see AMD seeking our next support level, which is the support line of this trend line over here, all right, connecting the previous bottom levels since October 2022. This is gonna be a very important support level if AMD manages to react and sustain the price above this key point, materializing a bullish candlestick on the weekly chart. That's gonna be one of the most fantastic bottom signals on AMD in the last few years, all right? But for now, it is just dropping. Do we see any bottom signal? No. Is there any bullish reaction? No. So this trend line is going to be our next technical stop. Palantir looks quite promising. It is going to report earnings today. All right. So volatility is supposed to increase over here. If we break the $45, then this one is going to fly. There is no limit for Palantir. It is going to continue the bullish bias. It is going to break the all-time high resistance level over here, this green line, all right? And of course, it is going to reject the idea of a top signal on the weekly chart. So it all depends on how Palantir is going to react after earnings. What if we lose the $40 support level? Then it is gonna actually reverse the midterm trend, the trend on the daily chart, suggesting a pullback on the weekly chart. In this scenario, the 21-week EMA, which right now is around $35, is going to be our next technical support level. I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day in this channel, so if you're still watching this video and you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing because, well, I'm gonna be here every single day talking about Tesla, Nvidia, Palantir, the indices, and many other stocks. So subscribe and click the like button to support me as well. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.